going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. As you can see, our shower drain is clogged. There is way too much standing water around our drain. So we're going to show you how to fix this without any tools. Well, with the exception of a screwdriver. Okay, a couple things before we get started. If you get grossed out by pulling a bunch of gunk up from your drain, you're going to want to grab a couple of plastic gloves. Get a receptacle to put the gunk in. I have a couple of grocery store plastic bags. And then lastly, grab whatever screwdriver you will need to remove the screws from your drain. Here is my drain right here. Now, this is the solution that works for me. I completely understand I have one type of drain. There are lots of other drains that people have in the bottom of their showers. What I'm going to show you works for me. See if it works for you. Maybe it saves you a call to the plumber, but please understand there are lots of other drains. You might need a tool to fix your specific drain. Okay, I have two screws that keep my drain on the bathroom floor. These are Phillips head screws because these have the cross in them. If these were the flathead screws, we would just have one line in them. So I'm just going to stick my Phillips head screwdriver in the screws and twist to the left to remove them. Make sure you're careful with the little screws and put them in a safe space. There's nothing worse than losing them down the drain. Once you get your screws removed from your drain, you could just pull up on this. I like to stick my screwdriver in there and just pull up. Let me show you what's inside. Now look at that nastiness right there. So we're just gonna stick our screwdriver in and pull up all that hair and gunk right there. All right, here is my screwdriver. I've got my plastic bags right here ready to dump the gunk in, and I'm just gonna dig my screwdriver in there and bring up the mess that I showed you. Look at that. So disgusting. We just pop this in our bag. Of course, this is a great time to clean your drain since you already have the drain cover off. Also a great time to clean the underside of your drain cover. And this is what my drain looks like now after we removed all the gunk. Much clearer than what we were looking at before. We're just gonna put our drain cover back on and run the water. We'll give you a view of that to make sure everything is running down the drain nice and smoothly. The shower's been on now for about 5 minutes and there is no evidence that the clog still exists. I'm gonna turn off the shower right now just to be sure there isn't going to be some lingering water there. And it drains right down. No issue at all. Thanks for watching, everybody.